The number of animals killed by the bonfires has exceeded 1 billion, and the government of New South Wales has therefore decided to use some helicopters to support wildlife. The Operation Rock Wallaby program helps species that have escaped from the stake to feed themselves, with tons of carrots and potatoes thrown from the sky, intended primarily for rock wallabies. Small marsupials similar to kangaroos considered at risk. Minister of Energy and Environment Matt Keane said on Twitter that in the past week, operators of the National Parks and Wildlife Service have launched tons of vegetables, and that the supply of additional food is one of the key strategies used to promote the survival and recovery of endangered species. In total, over 2,200 kilograms of fresh vegetables have already been distributed for all those animals that escaped the flames, risked their lives because they are left without food. As stated in a government statement, almost 1,000 kilograms of sweet potatoes and carrots have been sent to the Capertee and Wolgan valleys in the past week. 1,000 kilograms in 5 sites in the Yengo National Park, almost 100 kilograms of food and water in the Kangaroo Valley and in the parks of Jenolan, Oxley Wild Rivers and Curracubundi. According to the latest estimates from WWF Australia, over 1 billion animals may have been killed directly or indirectly by the fires that burned 8.4 million hectares in the country, an area equivalent to the whole of Austria. A budget described with one word: apocalypse. When the emergency ends, the association has pledged to restore habitats for koalas and other wild animals through the Towards 2 Billion Trees project to plant and grow 2 billion trees by 2030. Meanwhile, the fire brigade, after months of battle against the flames, said they had finally brought the larger fire, the Gospers Mountain Fire, on the northwestern outskirts of Sydney, under control, while waiting for the rain that should give respite to the woods. The fire had been out of control for almost 3 months. Visiting the area, New South Wales Commissioner for Firefighters, Shane Fitzsimmons, said there was a small area of combustion yet to be completed, but the containment prognosis seems promising.